Welcome back to RamZland. Today we're learning about Newton's first law of motion that says objects at rest stay at rest, objects in motion stay in motion. And so we're using the inertia cup tower to illustrate this law. So right now the cups are at rest and we're trying to pull the cards as fast as we can so there's as little friction as possible so the cup keeps its location. It falls one cup into the next, And so we're gonna pull as fast as we can. Yes, you just did it. You're all set? You want to give it a try? All right, here we go. We're going to pull it as fast as we can. One cup goes there. Here's the next one. Oh, it fell over. Now, there's another way you can illustrate this law. This is the penny challenge. You can put a card on top of a cup and put a penny on there. Challenge yourself, put a couple pennies. So the pennies are at rest right now, and we want to pull the card as fast as we can so the penny falls in the cup. Oh, and it goes. This illustrates Newton's first law of motion that we call inertia. Now, if you're looking for a way to pull that card a little faster to make this a little easier for students, think about attaching a pipe cleaner to the playing card so you can pull it away from the cup a little quicker. So now your design looks something like this. You can grab that pipe cleaner, pull it very quickly, and that way they don't fall down.